Hey my friend, it's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video I'm going to cover the niche offer formula of how you can make 40 times more by being niche specific rather than a generalist. Okay, so the niche offer is super important because when we're building out a landing page, and this is what this is all about, is building out your landing page, we want to know who exactly your target market is to be able to give them something that they would really love. So if we can see here, if we go to the landing page basics of a landing page is you want to have a 3-second rule. So when someone comes to the landing page, within 3 seconds they can see what it is and how to get it. Okay, then you want to give away something excuse me, in exchange for an email address. So this is what we're going to be talking about here in this video, is creating that offer which we're going to be giving away in exchange of the email address. Now curiosity is super key on the landing page, so you don't want to give too much away, and you kind of want to lead with an open loop. So lead with something that's not totally finished, and it makes people think, you know, I want to know more about that, so they'll opt in exchange for your irresistible freemium, your niche offer. Okay, and then you want to have your ideal customer in mind, and this is what I'm going to be showing you the formula in this video. So these are the basics of the landing page. So different types of lead magnets that we can have is we can have a written word lead magnet. So that's something that you've typed up and it's just written word. Or you can have video content, you can have audio content, and you can have free plus shipping content, free plus shipping offer. So free plus shipping offer would be like physical products and things like that there. Some different word types of lead magnets that you could make is you could make a free report, a free checklist, a free book, a free blueprint, and the like. This could be as a PDF or something like this here, or you can incorporate the free book into a free plus shipping offer or something like this here. Now some video lead magnets that you can make would be video course or free training webinar, a free video series, and things like this here that you can use videos. Now remember that lead magnet can be anything. That does not really specifically have to be any one of these things. It could be something different that you can give away for free in exchange of an email address to be able to generate yourself some leads. Okay, now different types of audio lead magnets. You could have an audio book, so that's like a book that you've read out and created an audio. You can have a recording of an interview that you've done with someone else. That can be a recording. You can have a best of your podcast. You can have that there as a lead magnet. So the best of the Cameron Limitless podcast for building your limitless lifestyle business, something like that there, the top 10 best podcasts. You can have automated voicemail. So this is a little bit more advanced, of where you can have someone come and give you a call, and then the automated voice message will be set up in a way that generates you a lead. So you can have lead magnets that are automated voice calls and things like that there, and all this here. So free plus shipping lead magnets, you could have a book, or you could have t-shirt, you could have like physical little shock and wow package of different little things in there that when someone requests it, you can post out to them, and it's free plus shipping, so they just cover the shipping. Now the way that kind of works is the cost of the shipping usually covers the cost of the product and things like that here, and then you can break even. And it's pretty much like a free plus shipping lead magnet would be some small type of investment or a physical product that you could post out, just let them cover the cost of the shipping. So these are different lead magnets that you could have. So what your niche offer should be and how you can make 40 times more than your competitors by being more niche specific is, if you think of the 3 big main markets, and these are proven markets that people have been able to make money in for years, and you've got the health niche, you've got wealth niche, and you've got relationships. Now these are big, massive, wide markets, and if you're just a generalist and you're out there trying to help people get wealthy, you're out there trying to help people get healthy, you're out there trying to help people with their relationships, you're going to make 40 times more money if you niche that down a couple of times. So for example, if we go into the health niche, you could have, for example, in the health niche, you could help people lose weight. So you're niching it down here to helping people lose weight. That's a specific health niche. Then you want to niche that down, so possibly you could be helping people lose weight with yoga. Now you can see where this is leading to. So now you're helping people lose weight through yoga, instead of just helping people lose weight or even just helping people get healthy. Then if you niche that down even further, and you could help pregnant ladies lose weight through yoga, or post-pregnant ladies lose weight through yoga. Now you can see how, for that example, you could make 40 times more money than your competitors by being niche specific instead of just being a generalist. So you want to identify what your niche is and get specific about that there. Whether it's going to be in health, the wealth, or relationships, niche it down into a subcategory, niche it down again and down again, as much as you can, to be able to have the right sort of message that someone who it's for would know that was for them. For example, like I says, a message that's talking to post-pregnant ladies who want to lose weight with yoga, that's going to hit a lot better than building a list of people just interested in being healthy. You're going to have a lot better quality of an email list and things like this here. So you want to have the niche specific. Now, what your homework is for this here is to go and actually craft your landing page. Now, you don't have to have the lead magnet, but you can decide what your lead magnet is going to be. Is it going to be a training? Is it going to be a free video course? Is it going to be a report, a PDF, an audio? What is it going to be? Is it going to be a free plus shipping offer? Decide what that's going to be, and then go to work on your landing page and creating that there. So what you can actually do is go to a website called Canva. If you're going to do written word or a PDF or something like this here, go to Canva, create a PDF, and if you go into your funnel settings, when you should have your own funnel account, if you go up into settings and you go to your digital assets, you'll be able to upload that PDF inside that software and get a clickable link, and then you'll be able to set that up to be able to be delivered. Now, once you go into your landing page, you'll see that when you're setting up your integration, you can deliver an asset. So you just click on that there. You'll see it whenever you're adding the email autoresponder, and whenever you're selecting that, you'll see up in the settings, your general settings, you'll be able to see deliver a digital asset. So just make sure and have that there set up if you're going to deliver a PDF. And this is the action step, my friend, is deciding what your specific niche is and then building that landing page out for it. And then on the next video, I'm going to be actually giving you a demonstration of how to build out these landing pages. So if you want to go ahead and start that for yourself, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how you actually do it and things like that there. So just make sure and decide what your niche is and what your lead magnet is going to be, and I'll see you in the next video, everyone.